Welcome to Snail Trail 4x4. Today we're going to show you how to replace a burned out bulb from your rear brake lights. Step one, what you guys want to do is grab your favorite drill, maybe just a regular screwdriver, not that big. Pull down your tailgate and you're going to access to these two screws right here on the inside of your housing. Alright, and then all we're going to do is take that favorite drill, grab your favorite prying device. It's right here, pop that out. And there we have access to all these. This top one here is going to be your blinker. The bottom one is going to be your brake light. And I have a feeling, well, since we're in here, we're just going to change them all. All you do is twist these, pull it out, and then push down and twist again, and that'll pop right out. And that's our 1156 bulb. A lot of people like to put LEDs in these. I tend to stick away from LEDs as much as I can because they mess with radio equipment. So put that back in. It's just the reverse push down, twist in. And right in there. And snap lock. And then we're going to do the same thing on this brake light, which, oh yeah, that's nice and burnt. So it's 1157. Your blinker is 1156. Your brake light is 1157. Same thing, if it doesn't push down, swap it around, twist it into place, put her in, and snap it locked. And then replacement is just the same as when you pulled it out. Make sure these two tabs here line up with these two holes. Make sure they line up. There you go. And congratulations, now you won't get pulled over anymore.